Hi, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. You don't want to go away.
Beachy Beach.
So we are here on the west end of Panama City Beach today. We're past Pier Park, a little closer to 30A. So you're close, that side, you're close to Panama City Beach and Pier Park. Everything's right here. And today, you've got to check out this adorable beach house less than 2 blocks from right here. So let's go. Hey there, welcome. Let's check out this beautiful little beach bungalow. It is quintessential coastal. Check out this kitchen with its beautiful seafoam green cabinets, and you've got the open space, your dining room and the living room. This is perfect with the tile floors, with that water and that sand. It can be your second home, or it's also a perfect rental location. You're just 2 blocks max to the sand, and you can't get over that. That's perfect. Isn't this a great sitting room? Come on in and check out this main ensuite. You've got plenty of space here, and I can't help but to point out those ceilings. How beautifully coastal is that? So cute, so much space. And this ensuite, it continues that coastal design and that coastal feel. You've got to check it out. And don't forget, there are 2 other bedrooms. They're beautiful. So for more information on this adorable listing, look in the description below, click on the listing link, get photos, more details about it, and call your favorite agent. You don't want to miss this one. And don't forget, subscribe to thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell, make sure you don't miss out on any future deals like this one.